Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Porsche Taycan key battery. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR2032 battery. Find a clean, well-lit area to work, as the components are small. Always handle the key fob with care to prevent any damage during the process. This simple guide will help you complete the task efficiently. To begin, locate the small release button on the side of your Taycan key fob. Press this button firmly and slide out the emergency key blade. Now, with the blade removed, you will see a small slot. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key casing. Take your time to avoid scratching the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you will see the circular CR2032 battery. Gently pry out the old battery using your small screwdriver, being careful not to touch any other components. Observe the orientation of the old battery, noting which side faces up. Now, insert the new CR2032 battery into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, faces upwards. It should click into place. After replacing the battery, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating they are securely closed. Reinsert the emergency key blade back into its slot until it locks into place. Finally, test your key fob to ensure all functions, like locking and unlocking, are working correctly. For other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.